SBRI stands for the Small Business Research Initiative, and it's a government-funded programme that enables public sector bodies to go out to industry and academia to help them with their problems and the challenges that they face. And what it also does then is helps us to work with them to develop innovative solutions to those problems.
So the part of SBRI is that we look for people that have got challenges that have no solution readily available to procure. So if a company has got something out there that they're specifically struggling with that they can't go and buy off the shelf, then we could work with business and academia to find innovative solutions to make sure that they are fit for purpose and really do solve their problem.
Working harder is not a change management plan, so we need new and different solutions, and SBRI is one of the quickest and surest way of being able to draw those opportunities out, and in particular it draws on solutions from all sectors, not just from health, and I think that's the key to the SBRI mechanism. Health is good at solving its own problems, but it can sometimes be less open to solutions from other industry sectors and to other new startup companies than it might otherwise be, and SBRI opens up the need and the demand and the challenges to all of those sectors and invites solutions in a very open way, and I think that's the strongest thing about SBRI and something we should be taking advantage of.
So what SBRI can really do for you is they can do all that hand-holding for you, so they can take you right from through the ideas generation process, really get into the sort of nuts and bolts of what the challenges are your organisation is facing, getting really into how you can sort of frame the challenge, how you can then work in ways that your organisation maybe hasn't thought about working in the past.
The main role is to really find out where the unmet needs are within health across Wales. So one of the ways that we do that is going out and speaking to public sectors, either individually or as a group, and then we'll really help them explore the challenges that they're facing and really help them focus and drill down to those most important challenges that they might need some help with. Then once they decide that they'd like to apply for funding, we're there to support and guide them throughout the process.
So we described our problem and our key challenge, which was how can we be assured that our ambulances are clean, and how can we be assured that they're clean in response to this brand new virus that we did not have a good understanding of at that time. And how can we make sure that process is as slick and as fast as it can be to ensure we can turn around our ambulances quickly. So the SBRI Centre of Excellence helps us with that challenge. They took our problem, they created a whole project around us and put us front and centre of that project. They brought in key partners that would help us deliver on that project, and they gave us a time frame which was one of the fastest paced projects that we've worked on of this type, which really delivered quickly, which is exactly what we needed it to do.
So in terms of the collaboration, it's made the access to the correct people and the need that's in the public sector, in our case Welsh Ambulance, has been superb. So in terms of, again, clarity and information, bridging the gap between the end client, public sector, and working with a public sector body has been superb. So language, parlance, all of those things that you can struggle with so easily when you're outside of an organisation, SBRI has definitely bridged that gap.
We're a very small team of really like-minded individuals that have got a real passion for innovation and a real passion to make a difference. So what we'll do is we'll come and work with you to help divine those challenges and help you through that whole process.
They've been a fantastic asset that we can benefit from in the Cardiff Capital region, and a lot of what we're learning from the SBRI Centre of Excellence we're starting to embed into the way we're working within our own organisation as well.
I'd thoroughly recommend working with SBRI, particularly where there's a key challenge and a problem which can bring society together, key industry partners, academic partners and others to come together and work on a problem. And we can see through our example of going through this project that things can be delivered at a very quick pace with really good governance in place too.
As a business, in many ways, it's redefined what we are. So we've been able to challenge all our products and services for not just this challenge, but other challenges across broader industry. and I'd strongly recommend anybody working with the SBRI as an effective platform.